Welcome to Crewe Seat. Today we have a Seat Leon 2 litre TDI 184 FR Tech finished in mystery blue. Features on the car include full LED headlamps, daytime running lights and cornering lights. The vehicle benefits from a wheel upgrade to an 18-inch. Has LED indicators built into the mirror housing. Being an FR model, also privacy glass on the car, which gives the car a sleeker look and reduces the interior temperatures on a hot day. There's also parking sensors at the rear, and the Seat badge doubles as a boot handle, revealing a large loading space and access to 60/40 split rear seats that fold down. Car seats 5 in total, has a black cloth interior with the red stitching. Four electric windows, electric heated mirrors that fold in, automatic lights, other multifunction steering wheel with cruise control. The car's covered just over 12,500 miles. It benefits from a large touchscreen media display with DB radio, Bluetooth streaming, navigation, traffic updates, hands-free calls. There's also full link as well for Apple Android devices. Dual climate control, storage at the front with 2 USB ports and 3.5mm auxiliary, automatic handbrake, hill hold, and an armrest with extra storage in the centre and a 12V power source. If you'd like any further details or to book a test drive, please ask for Patrick here at Crewe Seat. The number is 01270 50 70 40. Thanks for watching.